Happy learning!
Hello kiddos, let's write the small letter P. Let's start. Start from the middle and move down below the bottom. Then go to the middle and make a half circle to meet the line at the bottom. Let's try it again. Standing line and half curve. Now you try. Now check if you did it right. Yes, well done. Now you know how to write the small letter P. Next time we will write the small letter Q. See you on the next video. Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching. Like and share. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Click the bell icon.